In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to use Codeblocks in Tinkercad to create 3D models using simple programming blocks. Codeblocks is a beginner-friendly feature that lets you build objects with code logic instead of drawing them manually. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Tinkercad website. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. From the main dashboard, click the *create new ** button and choose Codeblocks*. This opens a new coding workspace designed for creating 3D models with visual programming blocks. On the left side of the screen, you'll see different categories of code blocks, including shapes, modify, control, math, variables, and more. Drag a block from the panel into the workspace. Start with a simple shape block, such as a box or cylinder. Then add blocks to change its size, position, or rotation. You can combine multiple blocks to create more advanced designs. For example, use a repeat block to generate multiple copies of the same object, or use math blocks to control spacing and dimensions automatically. This makes it easy to build complex patterns without placing every shape manually. After arranging your blocks, click the **play ** button to run the program. Tinkercad will generate the 3D model based on your code. If something doesn't look right, simply edit the blocks and run the program again. You can continue improving your design until you're happy with the result. When your model is complete, save it automatically in your Tinkercad account or export it as an STL or OBJ file for 3D printing or further editing. And that's how to use Codeblocks in Tinkercad. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.